Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get free PS Plus. So as you can see, I got this app, PS Plus Mod. This app is not in the App Store, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, it says you press this button right here and it will give you the free PS Plus for 12 months, I believe. Yes. So to download it, guys, what we need to do is go to this website right here, which is hexmods.com. This site has a ton of modded apps and modded games. So once you're on the website, guys, just go to the search bar and type PS. And there it is, PS Plus Mod. Go ahead and press on it, press download, and there you go. So it's going to start downloading. Now, I do want to mention that before it downloads, they usually have you do a little verification thing, which is to keep the server safe and prevent it from being overloaded, DDoSed, or something of that nature. So as you can see, guys, it's going to load up right here and it's going to say missing files are required. So there's going to be a video to watch if you're confused, but you're going to see all these apps. So just download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're 100% free. So I'll see you later, but that's how to do it. So yeah, as you can see, this one's like reach level 9. So you just press on it. It brings you to the App Store, and then I would reach level 9 on it, Merge Garden. But if I didn't want to do that because I felt like it took too long, I could do Evertail, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. Regardless, guys, whatever you choose, once you're done, PS Plus Mod should download. You'll get 12 months free. Just press the button that says show coupon code that will come up in the app, and it will tell you how many people on the app have used it today. So 24 used it today at the moment. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you in another video, but that's how to get it for free, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, just do 2 of these apps. It's not very hard or anything, so after you do that, you should have the free PS Plus. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.